Let's trace this entire dashboard and cut it out with the laser cutter. We start with an arc, click the start button. A little tiny arc here, switch to a line, switch to an arc. So I'm going to do this whole pattern, the outside edge, all of the holes, the circles, the squares, everything, and save a DXF file and cut it out with a laser cutter. People always complaining to me that my patterns are so easy. Well, occasionally somebody complains that my patterns are too easy, wondering if it can do a complicated pattern. Of course it can, and it's not going to take that much time. Switch to an arc here. So this here is an airplane dashboard. I've printed it out. I'm now doing the outside, doing lines and arcs. Almost finished with the outside, then we'll switch to all those circles. Switch to a line. I am going to do no editing. We are just going to crank this out and save it. There it is. Click stop. Let's do the circles. I'm doing 3-point circles. Digitize any 3 points on the circle. I'm going to do the big ones first, and then we'll do all those little ones. It is so fast and easy. And I am doing this complicated design very accurately in not a whole lot of time. There's the big ones. Let's do all these little ones. The pin stylus generates a magnetic field that's picked up by the board. Push a button on the pin and the board sends a very accurate XY point to the computer. And my computer then takes all those points and turns them into a DXF file, which I then can cut on our laser cutter. There's all the big circles. I got a couple squares here. I'm going to click stop, switch to a line, click start. Got a square there. I click stop, do the next one. Just think how much time this could save you. The program automatically connects everything, giving me tool paths. I've got this little fancy thing here in the middle here. Got an arc, then a line, another arc. Okay, I have this thing here. I'm going to start with a line, then an arc. Click stop. Let's double check. Do I have everything? I think I do. Let's save the DXF file and cut it out on the laser cutter.